Racing Jesse started every sky dancer break quickly starts and young moving upon the outside is Quaker Soap Bite My Dust getting the right street as they make the first turn is a beam bridge. Then next on line is Well Chosen, while Courtesy Call is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader racing down the backstretch. Very Sky Dancer, Beam Bridge in second. Quaker's Hope is racing in third, and in fourth now is number 1 Sen Young. Moving up is Bite My Dust, Well Chosen. Second last, Well Courtesy Call is still racing in last. Inside the tres octavo, Very Sky Dancer. Marlink anyhow, Beam Bridge in second, and in third comes Quaker's Hope. Moving upon the outside, Sang Young, then comes Bite My Dust. Then next on line is Well Chosen, while number 6 Courtesy Call is still racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. Is Sky Dancer now racing away by about 8 lengths, and in second Beam Bridge moving up Bite My Dust. Sang Young is on the outside. Last 50 meters, it's all Sky Dancer. Second, close, Bite My Dust, Sen Young, then comes Beam Bridge.
Alright. As expected, number 4, Sky Dancer. Ang siyang unang tunod sa ating finish line. Ridden by BM Camanero Jr. Then yung sigawan, nandun sa segundo between Sen Young and Bite My Dust. Close dyan. Then pumang-apat, number 7, Beam Bridge. Panarin natin instant replay. Pagkakaparanalo. Ditong si Sky Dancer.